Okay, good day, guys. I want to show you on a quick video on how this W coin really works. You see, if you have not started it, I'll put my link after this video so you can click start. See, this is also a very good project. This W coin. So as you can see right here, this is my this is what the robot has claimed for me for throughout the night. This is throughout the night. If you can look at the time here, this is 7 a.m. This is 7 a.m. So I just quickly click on claim, and 148,000 will be added straight into my balance. So you see, this is a quick one on how this W coin work. As you can see, this is what I have tapped 1.9 million for. No, this is not all I have tapped. I have tapped more than this, but you don't just allow, you don't just leave this your 1.9 million here. You put it to work and in more by clicking on staking. So if I click on this stick right here, you will see that I have almost all my coin has been staked and it has been due to claim. If you can see here, I staked 3.5 million to earn 3.7 million. Look here again, I staked 8.1 million to earn 9.8 million. So you can see this is 14 days, 14 days to get 20% of what I staked. Look at this one. So this one again is 14 days to get 20%. So as you can see, I'll just quickly click on claim now and it will be added straight to my balance. You can see. So claiming is another way of earning in W coin. You can see before I have 1.9 million before, and now I have 15.4 million. So the tasks here are very simple. They are very simple. So most times you will see a red sign on this task. Once you see that red sign, you know that there is a task for you to do, for you to claim, for you to get more W coin. So and also after you finish tapping on this tank right here, you have to, let me quickly tap on the 15 million. No, let me quickly tap on the 5,000 to be exhausted. So after you've come in the morning and on the day and you have tapped out this and this has been exhausted, you quickly come to boost. Then you must exhaust this and this every single day. It's compulsory. You must exhaust this. This will be exhausted in 10 seconds. So once you activate it, you have to tap it for 10 seconds. So you have to be very fast. So your balance also will be quickly increasing. So once it's 10 seconds, it will stop. You can see it has stopped. So this is how you do it. So I want to stake this 15.5 million again. All I just have to do, I'll go to stake in. I'll go to staking and I'll press on this plus sign right you are seeing here. I'll click on stake and I'll click 14 days. So you can 14 days will give me 20%, 7 days will give me 7%, 3 days will give me 2%. So I'll be going for 14 days, that's 2 weeks, and I'll click on max and all my balance will be showing here. Then continue, stake. So my 15 million has been staked. So after 14 days, I'll be getting 18.6 million. So this is just how this W coin really works. So I hope you find this video helpful. All right.